Your lesson essential question is, how do we measure using inches, feet, and yards? So we're going to be talking about measuring using 3 different units. One is inches. An inch, as we talked about in earlier lessons, is about the size of a small paper clip. There are 12 inches on a ruler. We'll use feet. Feet are represented by 12 inches. So 12 whole inches, or 1 ruler, is 1 foot. And then yards. Yards are 3 feet, and you've probably seen yardsticks that show 1 yard. So if you have 3 rulers, you have 1 yard, or if you have a yardstick, you have 1 yard. You can use a ruler to measure length. This paper clip is about 1 inch. So if you take a look at the ruler, they started at the 0. They put the end of the paper clip at the 0. And then the paper clip goes to the 1 inch. This book is about 1 foot. 1 foot is 12 inches long, and you can see this book goes from the 0 all the way to 12 inches, and we know that 12 inches is also equal to a foot. You can use a yardstick to measure length too. The bat is about 1 yard. A yardstick is 3 feet or 36 inches long. And again, you can see they put the end at the 0 on the yardstick, and the other end of the bat goes all the way to the other end of the yardstick. You can use a measuring tape to measure inches, feet, or yards. Now, a measuring tape is good if you're measuring around something. So if you wanted to see how many inches your head is around, the measuring tape bends, so you're easily able to wrap it around. Let's try numbers 1, 2, and 3. So what we need to do is we need to measure, or we need to estimate how many inches, yards, or feet these items are. So looking at a hammer, do you think a hammer would be 1 yard, 1 inch, or 1 foot long? Remember, 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 inch is very small. 1 foot is a whole ruler. You probably said this hammer is probably about a foot. What about a paper clip? Paper clip is about 1 inch. And this window, about 1 yard, 3 feet.